Most people think focus is about willpower, but it's actually visual. Where the eyes go, attention tends to follow. That's why focus feels harder as our work gets bigger and everything lives on a single canvas. We jump between ideas, sketches, and unfinished plans. Our visual attention gets pulled in every direction and focus scatters. So how do we fix that? Meet zone. A zone is a focused working area inside your mind map, a clear visual space for one part of your work. Instead of dealing with complexity all at once, zones let you work one piece at a time. With zones, different parts of the map can serve different purposes. Different structures, shapes, and floating topics can exist side by side without losing the bigger picture. And since zones group related ideas together, you can easily move, copy, and reuse them across projects. Your work now turns into reusable building blocks, and your mind map becomes a living workspace that evolves with you. When it's time to share, a zone clearly defines the output. What you see inside a zone is exactly what gets exported or printed. No more surprises, no last-minute adjustments. Stay in the zone with Xmind.